Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, feel free to drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This has been on downtrend for a very long time, and of course, it has gotten to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to go back into an uptrend, but if it should break out below this support zone, then we should expect it to sell more. Okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame. We will understand what I'm saying. Okay, if it should break out below that support zone, then this is what we are going to explain. We have three areas to milk right here. Okay, so I also dropped this signal in the Telegram channel, but that is if it breaks out below that support zone. If it does not, then we shouldn't expect a big thing happening there. It's really going to be a buy signal right from there. Okay, we need it to break out before we can say it's going to continue to sell. But if it does not break out, then it will go back on full uptrend. And however, I will advise you to wait for this breakout also on the resistance zone in order for us to be sure that this is going to really buy. Okay, so also let's watch out for this. Okay, so this is going to, it is giving us a buying vibes at the moment until it breaks out below the support zone. That is when it is going to sell. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so of course the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999. GainX 999 had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and of course it has been selling since then. Okay, just the way we have seen it. Okay, so it broke out below this support zone to give us more selling opportunity. I dropped this signal in the Telegram channel, and of course the first TP had been achieved already. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from the next support zone. That is when it's going to buy right from there. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. I also dropped this signal in the Telegram channel, and just where we have seen this, these actually achieved TP 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 TPs have been achieved, and it is still selling, guys. It is still selling, so we still expect it to get to somewhere here, guys. So we should take note of that. Okay, so PNX 1200 is really doing, and we are happy about that. Okay, now let's check out PNX 999. This is PNX 999. These had been on downtrend for a while, okay, for some days. But when it got to this support region, it was unable to break out from there. So it's made an attempt to go on uptrend, okay. But there are major pullbacks in between. So right now, I dropped this signal in the Telegram channel that if it should break out from here, then it's going to buy and achieve all these TPs. But as you can see, it is yet to be activated, and that is when the market misbehave and pull back. Okay, so our trade have not been activated on this. Okay, so it actually went back on downtrend. So this is selling at the moment, and we are looking at it getting to this region. If it should break out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, it should go back up and may likely buy more right from there. Okay, then the next asset, which is going to be the last one, is called FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on uptrend for long, and it is still buying right now. Okay, it is still very much on uptrend, so we should take note of that. There are pullbacks in between, but it is more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important, most especially once it breaks out from here. If it does not, then we are most likely to experience a kind of change in direction of the trend, and you should all watch out for that. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.